At the Houston Center parking garage, right?
It's now the highlights at Houston Center.
Okay, highlights at Houston. I don't think I filmed these last time. There's a camera in here too, so be careful.
Yeah. These were installed in 1982.
Oh, that's epic. I bet they were Dover before.
Probably Otis. Probably Otis because of that. Because you see that capacity plate?
Oh, yeah.
You might want to end the video on the 4th floor because there's actually one original elevator.
Oh, let's get it.
Yeah.
Let's get off at 4 and then let's switch sides.
These were modernized in 2007.
It looks like they used to be older than Otis.
Yeah, definitely Otis.
There it goes. And that's it.